Hello, in this video we will see how to send broadcast messages of Carousel. So click on create new campaign, enter campaign name, select campaign type, select your audience, select channel, message type will be pre-approved template, select template from the drop down. Now here first enter body variable, so hello name, I'll just select name. Now for all the cards that you have added in your template, you will have to add variables separately here. So for first card, you'll have to select here. After you fill the details here for second card, you will have to select here and then fill the details. So in this case, for example, just upload an image here. Body variable 1 will be name. And here, as I have added a quick reply button for interested, here I can also enter a button payload. Button payload is basically a hidden value. So for example, interested product ID _12. This is just an example. Now I'll fill the details for the second card. So click here. Now here I'll have to upload an image. Now as in the second card, here is the second card. Now as in the second card, I had two variables. Here I'll have to enter body variable 1, which is name, and body variable 2, say XYZ. Here again I had a button interested, which is a quick reply button. So I can add a button payload here. Product ID _456. In this way, you will have to add details for all the cards that you add. In the template, you can add maximum 10 cards. After you are done with this, you can click on next, save campaign, and then click on the rocket icon to trigger. Thank you.